Are you ready to uncover how to detox and cleanse your lungs naturally? Let's dive into effective, science-backed ways to purify your respiratory system and enhance your lung health. Before we start, a quick medical disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult your healthcare provider with any medical concerns. Can you really detox your lungs? Absolutely. While the internet is flooded with products claiming to cleanse your lungs instantly, pills, teas, oils, you name it, many are not FDA-approved and lack scientific backing. But don't worry, in this video, we'll discuss safe, natural methods that actually work to detox your lungs. Natural remedies to cleanse your lungs. Quit smoking. If you smoke, quitting is the single most effective way to detox your lungs. Cigarette smoke contains over 7,000 chemicals that can damage your lung tissue, causing conditions like COPD, emphysema, and lung cancer. Quitting smoking reduces these risks and allows your lungs to begin their natural healing process. Exercise regularly. Physical activity enhances your lung function by strengthening the muscles used in breathing. Regular exercise also helps your body take in more oxygen and expel carbon dioxide, keeping your lungs healthy. Aim for 30 minutes of moderate exercise, such as walking or cycling, at least 3 to 5 days a week. Adopt a lung-healthy diet. Eating nutrient-rich foods is crucial for lung health. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants and vitamins, like leafy greens, berries, and nuts, while avoiding processed foods and excess sugar. Staying hydrated is also key. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day to help flush out toxins. Monitor outdoor air quality. Polluted air can wreak havoc on your lungs, leading to chronic conditions and decreased lung function. Check local air quality indexes and limit outdoor activities when air pollution is high. If possible, invest in an air purifier at home to reduce indoor pollutants. Avoid secondhand smoke. Even if you don't smoke, exposure to secondhand smoke can still harm your lungs. The chemicals in secondhand smoke can increase your risk of respiratory infections and even lung cancer. Avoid areas where people smoke and encourage loved ones to smoke outside. Try breathing exercises. Breathing exercises like diaphragmatic breathing can improve lung capacity and efficiency. This involves breathing deeply into your belly, filling your diaphragm with air, then exhaling slowly. Regular practice can help keep your lungs strong and resilient as you age. These natural methods, when practiced regularly, can help keep your lungs clear and healthy without the need for potentially harmful products. Prioritizing these habits can promote better lung function and overall wellness.
Thank you for visiting our channel and welcome to your go-to resource for all things wellness. From nutrition tips and exercise routines to mental health advice and the latest in medical research, we cover a wide range of topics to help you lead a healthier, happier life. We are not medical professionals. The information provided is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare provider for medical concerns or questions.